Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Gino, and today I am very excited to show you guys this amazing buttery sugar cookie recipe. This recipe is super simple with only a few ingredients, and today I will be showing you guys this amazing technique on how to create these swirls inside of your cookies. And since Halloween is approaching, why not make the swirls in the colors of candy corn? Today is also a big collaboration between not only my channel, but 5 other baking channels and cooking channels on YouTube. So I will be leaving a link down below. We're all essentially creating a Halloween themed treat or dessert. So I will leave a link to all of their channels down below so you can go ahead and check out their Halloween themed treats and desserts as well. Now without further ado, let's get started because I am definitely looking forward to these cookies. Like I mentioned earlier, you'll only need 5 ingredients in addition to food coloring. So you're going to need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and food coloring in the colors of yellow and red. So to begin, you first want to place all of your butter into a stand mixer, and you want to beat the butter for a few minutes until it becomes nice, light, and fluffy. Then you can go ahead and add in all of your sugar and mix that in with the butter until they are well combined. Now you can go ahead and add in your vanilla extract and your egg. Mix those 2 ingredients through, and once combined, then you can go ahead and add all of your flour right in. And just mix that through until everything is well combined and your cookie dough forms. If your cookie dough appears very crumbly at first, no worries, that is exactly what will happen. Halfway through mixing with my hand mixer, I like to go in with my hands and finish the cookie dough off. The warmth from your hands will start to resonate with the cookie dough, and you'll start to immediately notice the dough starting to form. I like to then form it into a rectangle and cut it into 3 equal portions. Now that our cookie dough is ready, we're going to go ahead and dye each of our portions a different color, starting with yellow, orange, and leaving the third one its original color. Then place a piece of parchment paper onto your counter and take one of your portions of cookie dough and roll it as thin as possible. I would say close to 1/8 of an inch in thickness. Repeat the same thing for the other 2 colors. Then this is the tricky part that is super stressful, but I have faith in you. And if I can do it, then you can do it as well. Essentially, on the bottom you want to leave the white, then you want to go ahead and place your orange right on top, and I just like to take my piece of parchment paper and flip it right on top. Then you want to repeat the same thing for the yellow. Flip it right on top and peel off your parchment paper. Then you want to give it a gentle roll. You don't want to roll it into one piece, but you just want to gently roll it using a rolling pin to ensure that they stick together. Last but not least, I like to trim the edges and make a nice rectangle or square. Then you want to roll it gently using your parchment paper, and you are done. I like to twist the edges of my parchment paper, and now we're going to place this into the fridge for half an hour to chill. It is important to chill this cookie dough instead of baking it right away, because chilling helps keep the butter nice and cold, and if the butter is not nice and cold, it'll spread out in the oven, which makes your cookies sort of bleed together, and we want the colors to be nice and vibrant and separate from one another. So while those are chilling in the oven, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up because I made such a big mess. Also, I have a lot of leftover cookie dough from when I was trimming the edges. So what I'm going to do is sort of just roll it out about 1/4 inch in thickness, and it sort of creates this tie-dye effect with the colors of classic good old candy corn. Then I have a cookie cutter somewhere. Aha! So I found this little candy corn cutter. I figured I might as well just use the leftover dough and make some candy corn cookies as well, because no dough goes to waste. So I just preheated my oven to 350 degrees. I took the cookie dough out after it's been chilling for approximately 30 minutes. And now for my favorite part, time to cut into them and reveal the beautiful inside. So you basically want to cut cookies about 1/4 of an inch in thickness. And oh my, look at how beautiful these look. So our cookies are officially finished. We're going to place these into our preheated oven, and these will bake for about 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to take them out before they start turning brown, because these will continue to bake for a few minutes even after you take them out of the oven. Meanwhile, also don't forget, once again, I will be leaving links down below to all of the other collaborators that are creating their very own Halloween treats and desserts. They all look so delicious and amazing, so make sure after you're done with this video to go check out some of the other videos for more inspiration on Halloween treats and desserts. By the way, do you guys like my chickens? So I've been collecting these chickens for fall and for Halloween for the past like 3 or 4 years. Every year Target comes out with like a new set of chickens and I always buy all of them because why not? Aw, you want me to bake you some cookies too? Do you want some of your own cookies, my baby, little puppy? Our cookies came out of the oven and look at how pretty and decorative these are. With only 5 ingredients, we were able to transform a basic buttery sugar cookie and transform it into a beautiful swirly sugar cookie in the colors of candy corn in celebration of Halloween. I hope that you guys definitely give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos from this channel. Also, don't forget to check out the other treats and desserts with the 5 other baking channels that I am collaborating with. And don't forget to show them some love by subscribing to their channels as well. I have been waiting for this moment like literally all morning, so cheers! These butter cookies are amazing. You definitely taste the butter. You get a hint of sweetness from the sugar. You get a hint of that vanilla extract. These cookies are nice and soft, you bite into them, they literally melt into your mouth. So definitely a great buttery sugar cookie recipe if you were looking for one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my cookie. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy your holiday season and I will see you in the next video. Bye!